There is a saying that goes, if you love something, let it go. If it comes back to you, it is yours. There is no better saying that can describe the special relationship between 69-year-old Mr. Liu and his birds. Liu has been working with birds for years. He raises and trains them at his home. His interest in birds was sparked at the age of 25 when a friend working in a workshop around his neighborhood rescued a hatchling that fell from its nest. Liu was asked if he was interested in taking care of it. This kick-started a total love affair for birds. At present, Liu owns 19 birds. What makes Liu's birds special are that they are given the freedom to flit and fly, yet would eventually return to their cages where they would sleep, have meals, or even take a bath. Liu said that birds must not be confined but given the freedom to fly. When asked how he managed to train his birds to not wander far from home, Liu said that creating a bird-friendly environment is important.